Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we will study about agriculture. Agriculture means Krishi, the applied branch of biology which deals with cultivation of plants and rearing of animals is called agriculture. अर्थात कृषि विज्ञान की वो शाखा है जिसमें हम खेती करते हैं पेड़ पौधों की और जीव जंतुओं का ध्यान रखते हुए उनसे सुविधाजनक आवश्यक योग्य वस्तुओं को प्राप्त करते हैं. Generally, the art or practice of cultivating land is referred as agriculture. वो प्रक्रिया जिसमें हम पेड़ पौधों को उगाते हैं, खेती करते हैं ज़मीन पर, उसे हम कह देते हैं एग्रीकल्चर अर्थात कृषि. The branch of agriculture which deals with food, health and management of animal is known as animal husbandry. और विज्ञान की वो शाखा जिसमें हम जीव जंतुओं की देख रेख, उनके भोजन की व्यवस्था करते हुए उनसे आवश्यक वस्तुओं को प्राप्त करते हैं, उसे कहा जाता है जीव देख रेख, एनिमल हस्बेंड्री. So here we come to know about agriculture. Agriculture is purposefully done to fulfill our need. Most of the population of India, near about 70% of the population of India is dependent on agriculture for their livelihood. And all our basic requirements get fulfilled with the agriculture products. Thus, we all are directly or indirectly depending on farmers who grow crops for us. It's our responsibility to take care of the food supplements we are getting from the markets, not to waste them. Use them as much as required. Well, let us continue with our next topic, that is agriculture practices. Agriculture practices involve all those activities which farmer do for cultivation of plants. That is called agriculture practices. वो सारी क्रिया जो कोई किसान करता है कृषि करने हेतु, उन सभी क्रियाओं को हम एग्रीकल्चर प्रैक्टिसेस कहते हैं. And for doing such activities, farmer need different types of tools such as hoe, cultivator, sickle, plow, etc. जिसमें हल, कुदार, खुरपा, ये सब टूल्स इस्तेमाल होते हैं. फॉर डूइंग वेरियस एक्टिविटीज़ ए फार्मर नीड डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ टूल्स. उन्हें अनेक प्रकार के टूल्स की आवश्यकता पड़ती है. दीज टूल्स विच आर इन्वॉल्व इन कल्टिवेशन of plants are called agriculture implements. So such tools which are used for cultivation of the crops, cultivation of the plants is called as agriculture implements. Farmer perform agriculture practices in a sequence. खेती बाड़ी करने का भी एक प्रक्रिया होती है. There is a way, there is a sequence that we follow for the cultivation of crops. We cannot directly irrigate the field. Before that, we have to prepare the soil. We have to select the seed. We have to sow the seeds. Then only we can continue with irrigation. So there are variable practices which need to be performed in sequence. एक तरीके से इन सभी क्रियाओं को करते हुए हम खेती बाड़ी करते हैं. First practices for agriculture is preparation of soil. It is very important to prepare the soil, to check out whether the soil is acidic or basic, to keep this thing in consideration whether soil is porous or not, whether it is hard or not. So if it is hard, then we have to make it porous so that it can absorb air and water. Next step is sowing. Sowing means germination of seeds. germinating a seed in a field, that is sowing. Before sowing any seed in field, it is necessary to check out that whether the seed which we have selected is healthy or unhealthy. बहुत ज़रूरी है इस बात का ध्यान देना कि जिस बीज भंडार से जिन बीजों को हमने सिलेक्ट किया है, क्या वो स्वस्थ हैं, हेल्दी हैं, या फिर वो बीमारीग्रस्त हैं. If the seed which we have selected is unhealthy, then the plants will not grow well. Very few numbers of plants will grow. That's why it is important to check whether the seeds are healthy or not. We have to select healthy seeds for sowing. Next step is adding manure and fertilizer to the soil to replenish back the nutrients of the soil, which we have discussed in our previous topic. Fertilizers and manure add specific nutrients to the soil, which is helpful for proper growth and productivity of the crops. But we have to keep that thing also in consideration that limited amount of fertilizers should be used. Then irrigation. Irrigation means watering the crop plant after a regular interval. एक निश्चित अवधि के बाद पेड़ पौधों को पानी देने की प्रक्रिया को इरिगेशन कहा जाता है. सिंचाई. Irrigation involve variable types of way. In older times, some traditional methods were opted for irrigation. पुराने समय में कुछ अलग तरीके की सुविधा के अनुसार हम पेड़ पौधों की सिंचाई करते थे, फसलों की सिंचाई करते थे. But nowadays, developed techniques are there, tubewells are there, motor pumps are here, with the help of which we irrigate the field in very less time and with less effort. It is also very important to protect our crop from weeds. Weeds are unwanted plants which grow along crops, which compete with the crop plant for nutrients and space, and thus it reduces the productivity of crops. So it is very important for us to keep check that weeds should not grow along with the crops. So we need to protect our crop from weeds. For that we use some manual way or weedicide. With the help of chemical also these weeds should get killed. Harvesting. After the crops get matured, it needs to be harvested. Cutting off the crops after it get mature is called harvesting. And after harvesting, last step is storage. Before we store the crops, it's our responsibility to check out that whether the crop is dry or not. If not dried, then first it should be dried well and then stored in airtight containers so that it should be protected from rodents which may spoil the stored crops. Thank you.